So we have to write these methods, right? The methods, what we need to write. So let's understand here. So after logging, okay, so maybe you can perform the search also, right? You can perform the search also. Maybe, yeah, we can log in and we can see that. So, right, so this is the functionality. So you can do a search. This search is present or not. You can see. You can click on this menu, my account menu. So that's one step you have to write, and also you have to this page URL if you want. You can get the page URL. You can get the page title if you want. So these are all things you can try it out. Okay, so this I think I added this the URL already. So in the constants space, I have added that. I'll show you in the constants class. So whether we added or not. Okay. And and also you can get these values, or you can get these values, all these values. So did we take this list we have taken already, right? So getting all this list also we can take. So that search edit box is present or not, we can check. So, and the logout is exist or not, you can check. And also, no, you can click on logout. We need to click on logout. That those steps you can do that. And so with the menu options, no, you will get all the menu options. So basically, you get all the text of each menu option. Okay. Okay. So these are the few methods you need to write. So let's go and target one by one method. Okay. So we'll write, and even you need to perform the search also, right? That search also will perform. First, let's click on my account link, right? Let's go and click on. So this one, this is the my account link. Click on my account link. So public void click my account link. So my account link. You click on my account link. So we can call click method directly. And the click method is my account link. So just add throws declaration. That's it. Maybe if you want to add loggers, okay? Logger, did we add logger already? Yeah, you have a log messages. Just add log messages. Oh, done. So my account menu. Account menu link. So next, we can get the, so my account page URL. So URL means, this one, right? This is the URL. This entire URL. And I'm storing this partial URL in the constants. Please, we already kept that. Okay. So in the constants. So you have already. So just go here. In the constants, you can see account page, my account page title.
Account page fraction URL.
Yeah, account page fraction URL is there somewhere.
29th line.
29th line. Yeah. Yeah, account page fraction URL. So just we are giving this one. So this one I'm just giving this. This is the query parameter, right? So query parameter. This is the question mark is a query, and this is the query, the parameter value. So this query parameter. So we are giving that. Partially I'm giving, okay, fraction URL. So that I'm getting, based on that, you can write that. So write public. So it is going to return for us, okay? Get, so my account page URL. Get my account page URL. So log.info fetch my account page URL. So return. So there is a method wait for URL contains. You can see wait for URL contains. So these are already, we have written that. Okay. Constants that. So account page fraction URL. So it will fetch. So based on that, it will fetch the entire page URL for you. Entire page URL. Next. So just check that search edit box is present or not, right? So search edit box is present and logout is present. So we'll see that. Okay, let's go and do that. They will return type is Boolean values, right? You just write a Boolean. Public Boolean is search exist. So return. So you can wait for element visible. Wait for element visible. So you can write a, by dot, if you want, by dot name. There is a name locator is there. So use that name locator. What is that name locator? You can see. Search. So I'm giving search dot is displayed. So what is missing here? It's okay. So that's what, why we are not getting element visible. It's not plural, okay? The single element we are checking. Same for the logout exist or not. So is logout exist? Is logout exist? Is logout exist? So that is a link, right? So first, so how can you check that? First, you have to click on my account link. See that. First, if you click only, this is visible. So that's why first click action must be there. So let's call this method. Already we have written, right? Click my account link. So that you have to call here. So then wait for element visible. You have to do that. That sequential, no, independent test case every time. It should not, again, so where you are, that is not the case. So it's a link text.
Link text.
Use. It's a link, okay? Link text. Logout. Right, that's a logout. So is displayed. So that's the is logout exist. Is search exist. So get my account page URL. Click my account link. So that's the methods one by one we have to write. So then you have to do a click action, right? Click action on this. Then write a click on logout link. So the next method you write, click on logout link. Public, so void, click logout link. So if you want to click logout, what is your first step again?
Click on my account menu.
So click on my account link first. Then you have to wait for the element. So wait for element visible. So this is the one. You have to call this one. Wait for element visibility. You can click on that. Then you call the click method. So this is the sequence of steps we need to perform. So already we have written a logout link, right? Logout link. So those are the steps we need to follow. So what we need to do here is get all these option text. Each menu option text you need to get it. So we already got the collection, right? We already got the collection, but that is a web element type. So you need to store that text into another collection. So create another collection which is having a so a kind of string type of collection. So that we will create for all this text. Okay, so let's go and create that. So which is going to return for you. So collection again. So public of string get. So my account. So menu option list. Okay. So get my account menu option list. So for this is a return type method, right? It is going to return a collection to us. So first create a collection list string my account. Okay, my account menu. So you can write, the naming convention, it's up to you. It's not mandatory. You have to write like this. So my account menu option list equal to, so I'm just creating a new array list. So basically array list I'm using. So because I'm going to store all these elements into this collection that I'll return to. So java.util package you use. And then iterate the, so my account menu option list. So iterate the my account menu option list. So I think we are given same name here also. My account menu option list. This one, right? This is the same we are given. I think I'll change this collection name. So my account option text. So option text list I'll put, okay? So my account menu option text menu option text list, okay? So like this. So then iterate the this collection. So this one, my account. So this one is a web element type list. So iterate this collection. So for bracket web element. So element colon the collection name. So then, so how can you get this element text? How can you get each element text?
Get text.
Text E1 dot.
So EL, sorry, that is EL, okay? So I can
Collection name, my account menu option text list. For each loop, collection names.
This is the one we got all the menu options.
Okay.
So that dot get text. So with this, I am fetching each element text from this collection. That is menu, this one. Each menu option text I am fetching, storing in this variable that I will add to this collection. So how to add a element to collection?
Dot add method.
So add method, add the element text to this collection. So collection name dot add method, and you have to add a txt. Then return. After that, return to this collection. That's it. Sir, why two collections you are taking? You can ask. See, first one is from web page we are getting and storing here. Okay, this is a web page you are getting and storing in this collection. So that is a web element. This is not a string, right? It's not a text. It's just a web element. But we need a text. So that text I'm storing here. So this, for now I'm going to compare. I'm going to compare the menu should have only this expected values. So menu is going to have these values. If more than that or less than that comes, I'm going to fail the test case. So that I'm going to, so I'm getting the actual values at runtime, and my expected value I kept in the constants. Here is the one. See, expected my account menu option list. So my account to order history, transactions, downloads, and logout. These are the things are there, right? Right? So that's the expected values. I kept it. Or how can you store a collection of elements arrays dot as list? So list of elements. That's the collections we are using. You can tell all this. So if you remember these things in the interview time. And next. So these headers, you can get these headers, list of. So all these headers, you need to get it. Next. So get my account header list. So that means only headers, header names, only header names. So you write the another method for same procedure. So same procedure, you can just copy paste. So quickly we can change the method name and the collection names. Get my account header list. My account header list. So here, so you can give the collection name any name. So my account header, my account header text list. So this one you can suggest copy my header, my orders header, no, my account header menu option list. So this one.
So my account
This one. Okay, that is the one. So you can just change here. So I'm going to use this for reading. I'm going to store here. I'm going to store here. And here, my account header list. So I type mismatch. What is this? Okay, so list, we forget to keep a list. Oh, this is the list only, right? My account header list. Wait. It comes from list to web element to Boolean. Where is Boolean here?
But semicolon
Yeah,
is
it's
there
a
afterwards.
semicolon at the last.
Last.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah. Right. Done. So this is another one. The same way you can try for this another two we have written, right? So my account header menu option list. So my orders header menu list. So you can try the same, okay, same way. So let's quickly finish, okay? So get my account header. So that is our my account header options, maybe not menu, options list. Option list, I can put it. So get my orders. Get my orders. So my account header. Header option list. So here my account header option text list. Okay, so here which one you are going to? My account, this one. So that's the same, so no, you can do for the, so my order, my orders header option list. So my orders header text list. This one. Just replace, like that, it will, proper naming conventions you give. That's it. So basically all the list of elements you are getting, so you get them. And each text we are fetching and storing here. So on these methods, you have to write the test cases. For these methods, each method you have to write one test case. So you are covering the unit testing and also your functional testing also. The flow, functional testing flow you are going to cover. Yeah. So what is the last one in this page? Search, right? So we covered this one, and even newsletter, if you want, you can try it out. Okay. So I don't want a small things. So this search, we need to perform the search. Okay. So do product search. So write a method, do a product search method. So this, when you search here, we give the product name, right? You give the product name. So all the products will be here. So if you give a Mac, right? So you click on search. So this will give you it will take you to the results page. So it will take you to the results page. In the results, you have all the result values. Okay. So these results values you have to. So this is the different page again. Okay. That method is going to take you to the other page. So that the search page. So this is the search page, right? Generally normal my account page. My account page, when you click on search, it will take you to the search results page. So that it is giving a search results page. We can put a results page. So you can just write a function. So public. So this method is going to return results page. So results page it is going to return. So do a product search. So do a product search. So you have to give input for this, right? The product name string. So product name you have to give. Give the product name. So that's how you can perform. So what are the things you are going to do, right? So I'll just put a log.info.
Here, what is the results page, Ramesh?
So this is another page. So when you click on, after giving the product, right?
Yeah.
You will click on that. It will go to results, another page. See, the page before it was a my account, right?
Yeah.
Now it moved to search the product name. So this is a search results page.
Okay.
So another page, basically another page. We are moving from one page to other page. So that action is taking you to another page. So that's why we are giving another name. That is a results page I'm giving. Okay. So this function executes and it will take you to other page. That page I am returning. That page object I'm going to return. So any method which is taking you to other pages, that page object you return, so that it will be easy. Then that object dot you can call all the methods. So just searching for which product you are searching for the product plus the product name.
So you mean like if we are calling, if we are searching for different products also, like we can
Same
call
page,
that
results page.
page. Okay.
Results
And
page
then,
it will.
okay.
Yeah. It will go to results page. Maybe the methods you can write if other, for example, home page. So from my account you are going to say different pages. You can write a return type method for them. Okay, so that you can do that. But so I'm just giving this is the another way of a method can return the page object also. This method is returning a page object. So return type means don't think only primitive data types. I already told you in the Selenium, completely non-primitive data type we are going to use the return type of the method. The return type of the method is always, it can be a non-primitive data type in Selenium. It's not only primitive. So even the code what they have written also, all the Selenium code, if you observe that they are returning to interface or any class, so something like that.
Okay.
Now here also you see all the interfaces, right? These are all interfaces. So the method is returning a collection. Here method is returning a page class object. Okay, so let's finish this. So I have to check if the search edit box is present. Okay, is search exist. So just put like that, you will get automatically. Is search exist? If it is exist, then you type it, right? Send data. So send the data. So where to send the data? Search edit box. Search edit box. Then what value you want to send? Product name. You want to send the product name. Okay. Send the product name. Then you need to click on the set start icon, right? So maybe I'll use the click method. So use click method. So click. So the click method you can use set start icon. So you are clicking on the set start icon. So import first this add throws declaration. And then so return the value. So return new results page object. So that's the new results page object we are returning. But this page is going to return my account page still errors there are. Okay, so anyhow we'll fix them. So this one only we'll fix them. So this is going to return a driver object. You have to pass the driver constructor for that. So then you can, so if you want to catch different exceptions, so you can use try catch blocks, all those things. So maybe some interrupted exception or so different kind of exception we are getting, you can handle that. So that we'll see while running the program. we can see that. If you're getting, so the driver variable we didn't create on the top. Okay, we didn't create a driver variable. Let's create a driver variable. So private web driver you can create. One driver variable you can create. Because if you want to use, you need that. So private. So driver. So then you need to define here this dot driver equal to, and this page driver you want. So driver, you assign this parameter to the global parameter. So automatically, so this will be resolved. So remove argument to. Okay, so still results page we haven't created a constructor, right? That's why it is asking, but we'll create later that. So results page. So we're going to create a constructor for that. So then you need that, right? So that is the reason. But keep it, not a problem. Okay, so that's the page class of my account page. Now, so let's go and develop the, so one more page. So now which page we want to go?
Can we go to login page or logout?
Yeah, let's go to login page then. Right, so let's develop the login page. So login page, we can develop login page quickly. So these errors, don't worry, we'll resolve them. Otherwise, go and create a constructor here. So it will ask you. So create a constructor there. That's it. So just a sample you create and the error will be resolved. What is this? Change a return type, add a return statement. Okay. So the return statement, if this is not the one, what is that? Okay, so you have to return. That's why we are returning that. So see, now the issues are resolved. Now go to even results page also, we added a constructor. While developing the results page, we can use that. Okay. Now let's go and develop the login page. Again, same procedure, right? You have a same procedure. You don't need to worry about, just copy initial thing, this logger and everything. You can just constructor you can create. So login page. So you can go login page. Okay, so that's the, so how you can define. Let's go and develop one by one. Login. So log out first and then. So did we do logout? We already did, right? In the my account page. Yeah, we did. So I'll do logout. Okay, account logout. So these things you can put in the logout page. So let's develop the logout page. Logout page is very easy. So nothing much. This page title and this one, and also continue. We can finish the logout quickly. Okay. So what do you say? So let's finish the logout first and then come back to the login. Logout is not having much. That's why I just want to quickly finish that.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
So just very, so 3 elements only, right? This is the one. Maybe we can take this one also and this one. So maximum 3 elements. So we don't have other than that. So let's develop logout page. I'll take the same That's it. Okay. So what is the first element? At the rate
Account.
find by. We will use CSS. Let's use CSS. See div ID content H1, right? So you can write that. This simply, otherwise you copy from selector. So private. So web element. So account logout header. Import the thing and web element. Just quickly copy, so we don't want to waste time also. 3 elements will take. So we know what is our next element. So account, yeah, you have been logged off. So the account logged off message. You can put, so this one, same, right? Almost a similar one. So that's okay. So this is just P also enough. And account logout, account logged off message. Account logged off. Account logged off message. So what is the next one? The button, continue button. So take whatever you want. I'm taking, so CSS only. Even you can put, so this also, but fine. Account continue button, right? Is the logout continue button. So one more breadcrumb you can fetch, right? Breadcrumb also this. That's good, if you fetch the breadcrumb also. If you want to fetch XPath, that's also fine. Otherwise, you have here, you can copy this related XPath. Here also logout is there, here also logout is there. So better you take this XPath. Oh, so not safe. So we'll write our own. On logout breadcrumb. On logout breadcrumb. So we decided to write our own XPath, right? So I don't like all these things. So I'll try from here. Breadcrumb, I'll start from here, okay? So let's go and start from there, okay? So see, it is giving a problem. 2 ULs are there. But we can give, I can come from here. So class UL class breadcrumb. UL class breadcrumb you can write. So why they are at the rate class equal to where it is going. The breadcrumb. First one has come, then LI. So not the first LI, LI3. LI3 of A. So yeah, exactly. If you want still give, okay. So on that you write, so text equal to, you give logout. So that, so you strongly are looking for that logout only. So then it's very, very clear. So in the breadcrumb, so we are giving logout. That's how you need to construct the XPaths. So, but don't take this, this is the absolute XPath. So we should not take absolute XPath. Okay, done. So we are done. Next to the some methods, quickly develop the methods. What are the methods? So first, so this header exists or not, you need to check because that's important, right? So write the method. Okay, so that this method exists or not, this header is present or not, I need to check. So Boolean. So is account logout header exist or present or available, so whatever it is, based on your requirement. So you can write wait for because it will take some time. I'm just checking wait for page load. Okay, wait for page load. So you give how much, how many seconds you want to wait. So I'll just wait 2 seconds. Then, so return the element dot is displayed. So the element is, so this one. So next, so logged off message is present or not, also check. So logged off. So message is present or not, also you check. Logged off message exists. Just change here. Next. So click action, right? Next to continue. You have to click on the
Continue button.
Continue button. So public void click continue button. But take a decision what you want to do on this breadcrumb so element. So just to know exist or not, you need to check. That's it, right? So this also another one. Another method. So is account logout breadcrumb exist. That's it. Okay. So these are all the methods. And also if you want to get the page title also, you see page title also changed. Account logout, get the page title. So how can you get the page title? So you know already, right? How to get the page title. How can you get the current page title?
Get title.
Get title.
Yeah, public. So you return. So this method is a returning a string type data. Get. So logout is a title. So then first you wait for this. Wait for page load. I'm just giving 2 seconds. So then return driver dot. Even we have a get title
Yeah,
method.
constants in that way.
So get title method is there. So we created in the WebDriver details. You don't need again driver dot get title. Just get
Do we
title.
have it in the constants?
Constants, we don't have fraction, we didn't store, I think. So did we? No, we didn't store here. Based on the, okay, this one, yeah, account logout paste type, okay. So we have given. Maybe you can compare, that is the actual, right? This one you were expected, okay. This one is your expected.
Okay.
You can compare both of them at runtime.
Okay.
So that's it. Okay, so that's all about logout. Logout is a very simple one. And let's move on to the login page. Same way. Any questions here before moving?
No, sir.
Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Whatever.
Yeah, just to know practice. Okay, so keep writing all the elements.
Sure.
Then each element, what action you want to do, you should know it.
Mhm.
That is very important. That is very important. So what action you want to do, that action related methods you write here. That's the only thing. Basically, that will come by testing, right? A testing practice. You will come to know what action you want to do on the elements. That is going to help you. Okay. So if you log out, you'll come. Let's go. Click on continue. So you are going to home page. So now let's go to login. Click on login and you go to there. See how now here, this is the one section. This is another section. See how to identify all this. New customer header, register account, this one, and new customer continue button, returning customer continue login button, forget password, email address. Quickly do that. Quickly will know whichever you can do quickly, very fast. Just quickly finish it. Okay. So name ID is there. So let's use ID. Okay. @ find by. So @ find by ID equal to ID value. So if you can do quickly, do here itself so that it will save time for you also. So email address. Same you do for the just quickly copy paste for the password also. Okay. So next one, you take a name for the password so that you can cover all the locators. That's always we need to do. Okay. So password. Try to cover all the locators so that it will be you can remember easily that password edit box. Next, so login button. So you have a type submit and class. So which one you want to take?
We
You
can take class.
class, but class alone you cannot take. This is the compound value. So compound values we are not allowed to take. So you will get a exception there. If you want, you can take a CSS whatever it is. Let's take CSS. Oh, it's a very big one.
Yeah, let's go by experts.
Otherwise, we will write our own CSS, right?
Mhm.
Why can't we write our own CSS? So I can use
Type
type
input
we can.
dot class name.
Input dot class name. Okay, let's go. Input dot class name. That's the easy one, right? Input dot class name. So what you need to do, you remove the space with a dot.
Period.
Dot. Mhm.
So login button. That's it. So what is the next one? Forget password. Link. So you don't need to think also. Just go and use the link text. You want to use a partial link text or link text? It's up to you.
Partial link.
Partial link.
Partial link text. Even though we are not giving partial, but you can use.
Mhm.
Yeah. So next I will take this returning customer header. So you can take a relative XPath. I'll take. Let's take this relative XPath. I'll take this. True path also nice. Okay. True path also nice. You can take the true path help also. It will give you nicely. All our formulas are there in the true path. So login section header, you can put any name. Login section header. Login section header. So then new customer header. So let's go and take this. We'll take a find by. Register new customer header. Right? New customer header. So next. So what else? Pending. Register account.
Continue button.
Yeah, continue button will go. So this one will finish. Register account subheader I'll put. Okay, subheader. So what we got? Why we got this? Okay, where is this? Here it is. So close this so that next time onwards it will open to you. Otherwise you will confuse where it's not opening, something like that. So private web element. Register account subheading. Register account subheader. Next last one. Continue.
And then
button.
login breadcrumbs.
Yeah, even breadcrumb also you can take it. So, but okay, only one continue button. You can take this continue button. Login page. So we can give. So login page continue button or just continue button. Only one we have, right? Continue button. Login continue button. Or new customer continue button.
New customer continue.
It's a new
We'll
customer.
give- So new customer continue button will give, otherwise. But always you have to differentiate that. It's important. If you are not differentiating, it's going to be a problem. So if duplicates are there, always try to differentiate that.
Mhm.
So differentiating is a very, very important here. So let's go and what name we'll give? New customer.
Continue button.
New customer. Continue. This is good, right? This is perfect. Now what left? So these are all done. This section is done, right?
Yeah, login breadcrumb. Can we write for login breadcrumb?
Login button already we have done, right?
No, breadcrumb. I say.
Oh, breadcrumb. Okay, this is breadcrumb. Yeah. So we'll write this one same as a previous one, right? Almost similar, right? But we'll take from here. Yeah. So this is a similar code. So you can check that, okay, later. So instead of logout, what you can put?
Login.
Login.
Yeah.
But make sure you check that, okay? So here it is already.
Side enter.
You can check this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. I'm going to replace here. That's it. That's good.
Element names.
And
Yeah, element name will change. Login. Breadcrumb. That's all. So let's write the methods. Okay. It's very late for you guys also. And
Yeah.
methods will write tomorrow.
So we need not go for the item selected element.
Which one?
Item selected element.
Where is that?
0 items selected beside the search bar.
Where this one you're saying?
No, sir. Towards the
Yes.
right, the black color one.
This
0
one.
items
Yeah.
down.
No, that is, you can write, okay. So when you log in, you can do that. But this is like a global one. This is a global one, not belongs to particular page.
Okay.
So these things are global.
Uh-huh.
So global, you can put separate a page or which page you want, that page you can put it.
Okay.
So when you add to the cart, see whether it is changing or not. You need to check that also, right? That's important. That you have to do that also.
Sure.
So any page you have to include.
Uh-huh.
Logo. Open cart logo.
That is the first page, right? So, but every page, if you want to add, that's okay. That's also important, but it's okay. We don't need every page. Yeah. So next we'll see. So tomorrow. But if you want to click from here, You can put this home icon. So let's put this home icon also. How to write this home icon? See this is the one. LULLIA. That's the one. You need to do that. So write a XPath for this. So let's see what is the XPath it is giving. Otherwise, we'll write our own XPath. See, this is the problem. It's not giving a proper XPath. So I want home icon, right? Home icon I want. Breadcrumb UL square bracket @ class
is equal to
LI of 1 A of yeah, you can write. So right, you can write, or simply you can write, all this, but this one also recognizing, right? You can see that. Oh, it is recognizing.
no, it is not.
Oh, is it? It is not recognizing.
Sir, after breadcrumb, we need to mention that square bracket. Right?
Oh, okay, right. We're missing that. Yeah, now it's
Yeah.
recognized. So maybe if you still want to add this FAFU home, you can add the class also. Otherwise, this is also fine. XPath. Home icon. Private. Sorry. @ find by first. XPath. Web element. Home icon. So log in home icon, so you can put. It's there in every page, right? So separate it. So when you're calling particular page, that page, you will refer. Okay, that's all about so today's class, and we'll do tomorrow rest of the things.